myself. I don't know why, don't know why. I do it to myself. I don't know.
Right then, so that's what we are unboxing today. You've seen in the title, the Micro Sniclo FPV camera. You can get multiple options. These are the all different ones you can get. I went for the full Monty because I need everything. It's the first FPV one I've got. Let's have a check on the other side of the box. 60-minute long battery life. Nice for a tiny car. Let's get into that and let's check that out. Other side. Yep. That's that. Enjoy driving, pleasure, start your champion road. Okay. So, looks like we've got an instruction manual. And that's what you need to do. If you want to read it, pause it. Thank you very much. Let's get that out of the way. Get out of here. What's this? Yeah man, I've got a keychain. I didn't know you got a keychain with it. Let's check that out. Looking lovely jubbly. Look at that. I can't wait to bash down my keys. That is also one of the other cars that they sell. So I'm actually going to get a drift car off them hopefully at some point. Then so what cable's this? USB type C sound. That's a good cable. Looks like you get some miniature tyres. Look at that. I presume they're different to what's on it. So we'll check that out. A rock. Yep. That is definitely a rock. Well, I never. A rock. Thank you very much. Yes, I've got some stickers. I've watched a few videos of these and they haven't got some stickers. So for those that haven't got the stickers, I'll just let you show you what you could have won. Yeah man. I love the Porsche looking ones, but they kind of sell a car that looks like a Porsche looking one. Yeah, like that. Oh, these are right nice. I don't know when I'm going to stick them, but I'm well happy that I got these. So that's the logo of the company. I love them BMW looking ones. There's the logo again. Let's put them somewhere safe out of the way. So let's have a look at this. Whoop. No, we'll have a look at the controller instead. So, weird design on the wheel. Hey, you know what? That fits like a charm. I like that. The accelerator feels good. There's some buttons for the lights and also to do with the VR headset. Power down, power up. The power down is 75% power, the power up is 100% power. So let's get to the good stuff. Let's get rid of that. Nicely packaged. 10 out of 10 for packaging. It's not going to get damaged in that, is it? So let's open it up very carefully. Right, let's put that camera out of the way for now, and let's check the goodies out. Look how small it is. Loving it. So it looks good so far. Nicely detailed. Individual suspension. It's all brass underneath, so it's quite low centre of gravity. Nicely covered. I won't exactly go putting it through water because there's the on switch. So let's have a look at the camera, because I do not own anything FPV. So this is one of the main reasons why I bought it. I want to see what it's like. I know it's got magnets, so I believe that's how it attaches. But before we see how it attaches, let's check these VR goggles out. Because I've got a Rift S, so I'm used to VR stuff. So I'm just intrigued on how good this one is. There's all my bits. Let's get rid of the bits for now. So it's just one screen with a bit of a magnifier. So the screen's somewhere in there. Okie dokie. So the camera goes on top. just underneath this little lid. As far as I'm aware, it just it does as well. Look how nice that just click snap. Alright then, so it's easy as that. Let's put the goggles together. That goes on back nicely. So we want these two white things, antennas. They should just screw on, and they do. Nice fit. Alright, and that's, yeah, they bend as well, so if you want to aim it or whatever, then there you go. So I wonder if I can drive it about. Let's drive it about first, make sure it all works, because I don't want to mess about doing all this. So turn it on. That gives a little vibration. Press the button on the car. There we go. Let's see if it works. So far so good. And yeah. Come on. Look at that. It's a tiny car. Well happy. Right. Let's have a look at this VR then. That's what we all want to know. I must admit, I don't own anything to show you in a better way, shall I say. So we're gonna have to both look through the goggles ourselves. So turn it on by pressing it. No, you turn it on by holding it. Yes, you do. Let's move that out of the way. I guess press search. That'd be my first guess. Be funny if you find something like weird comes up now. Nope. There we go. Look at that. Can we see? Ah, not too bad. We can see alright, can't we? We can see alright. Right, pass me this controller. Alright, so excuse any mess you see. I probably should have been a bit better prepared for this. But look at this. I've set up a little rock thing to try and get over in a minute, so we'll check that out. Look at that. Going under me 110 FTX. Oh, got caught there. Nice. Yep, don't look at any of that mess whatsoever. Hi. Anyway, right then. Well happy with that. Well happy. Little beast, man. Well made. I'm happy with that. Look at little brass parts moving. It is quite unreal how heavy it is in the in that area, but I guess it needs to with that camera on top. There's also lights. You've got indicators as well. When you turn left or right, you have some indicators that flash up. You've got some brake lights as well when you're actually pressing reverse. Well, I'm happy with that. Very nearly forgot one thing. Charging. Obviously you got a USB cable so you can charge it normally, or if you're on the out and about you need to charge that car back up, because the actual controller lasts quite some time. You can actually put this little thing inside the back of the controller, somewhat of an extender. Look at this. Be very careful though. I was about to say, if you don't feel like it's going to go on, don't force it on. So that's not gone on, one sec. There we go. So there we go. Lights come on and they're just slightly flashing. The lights will actually completely go off once it's fully charged. So let's this sit down, fully charged, and we'll take it over my little rock formation. Right then, so here's some rocks I've just gone and pulled out at garden. See how it does. They're quite hard putting them together, but it's doing fine. Check that out. Oh. Yes. Well, didn't expect that. Did not expect that. What about you, Mr. FTX? What? take him outside? Go on then. Right, so this is just a little wall in my back garden. Some of the mortar is missing on top, so there's quite big crevices, shall we say. Here's one of them. Oh, look at that! With ease. And here, there's another one here. That's not that bad. Light work of it. Easy work. So it's 4-wheel drive. You can see the individual suspension making the vehicle all shaky shake. Sweet. It's obviously also got the camera, and with the suspension it makes it quite well at handling. I've got actually nothing to show you of the footage. I haven't got a memory card, shall I say, because also the VR headset will fit a memory card in the top of it. So once I get an actual memory card and I can actually record the raw footage, I'll be more than happy to show you it. So for now, you can see that it's only as tall as a brick, so it can get pretty much any place. If you're wanting this RC car, the link is in the description below. There's going to be a lot more videos to come out with this little geezer, especially the big geezer. Other than that, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next one.